So, you're in the market for a hardware wallet, and you're wondering, just how secure is the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0? It's a great question, because in the world of crypto, security is everything. The first thing to know about the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 is that it is a truly air-gapped device. That means it has zero connection to the internet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. Instead, all communication is done through scannable QR codes. The device never touches a network. This makes it virtually immune to online attacks and malware, as your private keys are completely isolated. But what about physical security? This wallet is built like a fortress. It's a single, sealed metal body. The design is specifically anti-disassembly. Any attempt to physically tamper with it, to unscrew it or pry it open, will trigger an automatic self-destruct mechanism. The device will wipe all data, including your private keys, making it useless to a thief. It's also built with a CCEAL5+ certified secure element, which is an industry standard for protecting against advanced physical attacks. Then there are the software security features. The large touchscreen display means you get clear signing. You can see the full details of a transaction before you approve it. This prevents blind signing and protects you from phishing attempts or scams where a hacker might try to trick you into signing something you didn't intend to. The wallet also supports a secret secondary wallet with its own password, adding another layer of plausible deniability if you're ever in a compromising situation. It's important to remember that while the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 has robust features, no device is completely invincible. Older versions of the ELLIPAL wallets had some reported vulnerabilities, but the company addressed those issues, and the Titan 2.0 has been designed with those lessons in mind. Their response and bounty program show they are actively working to improve and maintain security. Ultimately, the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0's combination of air-gapped technology, tamper-proof design, and strong software features makes it one of the most secure hardware wallets available today. It's a compelling option for anyone serious about protecting their digital assets.